Okay, so I'm starting off with my eyes already primed. The eye look that I am going to be doing, I actually do very often because it goes with a lot of lip combinations, and I am only using one palette. So I am going to be taking the Lorac Pro 2 palette, and I am using the color light brown on my, I'm going to be using the color light brown on my crease, and I'm going to be adding this color all over, and this is gonna act also as our transitional eyeshadow. Okay, and with the same brush, I'm gonna be going into the eyeshadow Nectar, and I'm going to be applying this on top of that color. It's just gonna bring some warmth into the eye look. I like very kind of warm looks on my eyes. I feel like it complements my eye color. Obviously they're brown, but I feel like it's really nice combination. I'm gonna be taking the color Rose, and I'm gonna be adding this all over my lid, and I am actually gonna be using my fingers. So now I'm gonna be taking the color Cocoa, and I'm gonna be applying it with this like flat, it's still a very fluffy brush, but it's very flat. I'm gonna be applying that color on the outer part of my crease and into the eyelid. And this is just gonna add a really subtle smokiness, but it's still like very wearable for the day, and this color is very pigmented. So I am gonna be adding it, and then I am gonna blend it out. So I'm just packing on the color for right now. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my eyeliner. I'm using the Italia Deluxe eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It's one of my favorites. I'm just going to be adding a wing. You do what you think looks best with your eye shape. To me, I think a wing always just completes the look, and I feel like it looks more put together. I went in and applied some mascara. I used the Maybelline Total Temptation. Now I'm going to be applying my eyelashes. I love thick eyelashes. I love las pestañas de vaca, like that super dramatic thick lash. To me, that's what makes the whole eye look. I use these from Kiss. They're my favorite. They're in the style of camisole, and they really make my eyes look big, o sea, para que se vean super grandes, porque I feel like if I use really natural eyelashes, my eyes look kind of small, and with these, like, it's like boom, like they open up. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my eyelashes on. The ones I was wearing in my previous videos, they looked more like little escobitas. I got them from Morphe. I really like those eyelashes, but I had to let them go because they were falling apart. So now we're gonna go into my lower lash line, because as you guys can see, if you guys leave your eyes like this, it looks really heavy on top and you have no eyeshadow at the bottom. So I'm gonna go into the color light brown again, and I'm going to be applying this on my lower lash line. And this is like the first base color. So now I'm gonna go into Cocoa and Black, and I'm gonna be smudging this on my lower lash line. But I'm only adding it to the half of my eye, and then the rest I'm just kind of gonna bring the color down a little bit. But I'm mainly focusing the darkness on the outer part. And this also helps make your eyes look a little bit bigger. So now I'm going to be adding gel liner to my waterline. This is one of my favorite tricks to do. Eyeliner, it stays on a lot longer if you use gel eyeliner in your waterline. So this is one of my favorite tricks that I like to tell my friends when they do their makeup. So now that my now that I have eyeliner in my waterline, I'm gonna go back into light brown, and I'm just gonna drag it. And that is it. This eye look is super simple and it's really neutral, but it definitely goes with a bunch of lip combinations. But it's definitely my go-to eye look. I always have this eye look on when I don't know what eyeshadow to do.